Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I've had a lot of people say that they've had that bug and that it was taking a lot of space. We told you about a famous bug in Windows 11 that actually was making the system really, really big in the on the hard drive and taking a lot of disk space. So, if you want to see if it's fixed, because it's supposed to be fixed with the latest updates, what you need to do is go into your settings, into system, click the storage, and here you will once again go to show more categories. In show more categories, you'll have system and reserved. This should be, you know, 40, 50, 60 gigabytes at most. If it's still 200, 300 gigabytes, or if it's very big above 100, something is still wrong. But basically, those that had that problem, because I've seen some comments of people telling me they've seen 150, 200, and even more gigabytes being used on their hard drive, and we're wondering why. Well, the Patch Tuesday updates have also brought the fix to Windows 11. So you should have the system and reserved part of your system at roughly like I have now, 40 or 50 gigabytes, somewhere around that. It varies from machine to machine, but it needs to be below 100 gigabytes, that's for sure. That is the biggest problem that was with one of the bugs within Windows, where the storage for the system just became bloated because of a bug. So that's another fix that you should have and should be back to normal on your system. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.